Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? Welcome to your channel Cook with Komal. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please go and subscribe first. So today we are going to make Harey Bharey chicken nuggets. So here I have 500 grams of chicken, 2 bread slices, fresh, green coriander, 1 bunch, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, garlic paste 1 teaspoon, 1 egg, green chilies 8 to 10 chopped, mint leaves 1 bunch, salt to taste or salt 1 teaspoon. So now we have to chop all the things. Firstly, we have to chop mint leaves, coriander leaves, green chilies and bread slice. Add coriander leaves, mint leaves, green chilies, bread slice, now chop it. Now we will add the chicken. Now after chopping up all the chicken, add salt, garlic paste, 1 egg and black pepper. Now after adding it, chop again. Now after chopping all the things, take it out in a bowl. So now our chicken is ready. So here I have half cup of all-purpose flour. We will add some corn flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons, egg and breadcrumbs. Now add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of salt. Mix it. And in the egg, we will add half cup of water, half cup of milk and beat it. Now grease your hand with some oil and make these size of nuggets. Now add in the flour. Make 20 nuggets like this. Now we will set it aside for 2 hours in the refrigerator. Then we will fry it. Fry them in medium flame, 2 minutes for each side. Guys, this is our final look. I hope you like this recipe. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.